Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can download and install Instagram on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy process, so let's dive right into it. First of all you have to do is simply open the App Store application, and after opening the App Store, all you have to do is simply tap on this search icon right here. Then you'll get to the search page, and then from here you can tap on the search bar and then start typing Instagram. So after searching for Instagram, here you can see this is the Instagram application. Tap on it, then you'll get the Get button. All you have to do is tap on Get, and for the verification, your Face ID or your Touch ID will be required, or the password of your Apple ID will be required. So right now here you can see I have this cloud-like icon because I had previously installed Instagram on my phone. If you have previously installed through the same Apple ID, a cloud-like icon just like this will show, and all you have to do is simply tap on it like that, and download process will now begin. Just like this, here you can see within the few minutes the download process has been successfully completed, and all you have to do is tap on open and simply open the Instagram, and that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.